Then find the lines that separate the pods of the fruit and cut along them. I was getting kind of hot, so I had to take my sweater off. This is going to take some power, so use a cleaver and gardening gloves. After tracing around your cuts a couple times, you'll be able to pull the fruit apart. The fruit will naturally separate into pods, giving you easy access to remove the flesh. Plate up and enjoy! This imported durian is obviously not as soft, sweet, or ripe as the fresh ones from Thailand, but this will do for now.